We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names of places around the US. This is a name of French origin. It is also the name of a university in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There's also a fort named after it. How do you go about pronouncing it? For reference, in French it is said as Duquesne, Duquesne. In English, however, this is normally pronounced as Duquesne, Duquesne, from French, Duquesne. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button to support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more places around the US whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.